Hey there, Empowered Peeps. I'm Ryane to the rescue. And today we're going to talk about cleaning and maintaining your dryer. Now, we all want our dryer to stay in good working order and to be the most efficient and to be safe. We don't want any fires and to save us money. So this is a really important job to do. And I have a really fun life hack that is a good cleaning tip for you. So you want to stay tuned for that. Now, let's get started and we're gonna go to the laundry room. Okay, here we are at my dryer and we're gonna start with the basics. Now, every dryer has a lint screen. Sometimes it's on the top, sometimes it's on the front. But either way, locate that and empty it every single time you run a load. Every time. Mine is full of dog hair and lint. Okay, that comes out every time without fail. That's step number one. Step two, take a look around in the drum of your dryer and see if there's anything stuck in there, like paper or cough drops. If you have anything sticky in there, you could use Goo Gone to clean it, or if you just want to give it a good wipe down, you could use vinegar spray. Mine looks pretty good. All right, step three is remove the lint screen and set that aside. And then take either your shop vac or your home vacuum cleaner and get the skinniest attachment that you have and then put it right down in there and suck out the lint that you can. Let me show you the lint in mine before I even get started. That's all the lint that makes it past the initial screen. Wow. Nice. That was effective and satisfying. Okay, now the lint trap is all cleaned out. Now let's head behind the dryer for step number 4. All right, let's see what's hiding behind the dryer. Welp, I didn't know there was a shirt back there and a cup. Bet one of my kids has been looking for that shirt. Now we're going to loosen this clamp, which will detach this hose from the back of the dryer. Okay guys, here's the fun life hack for you. We are going to use power tools, a leaf blower, and we're going to use this to put inside of this dryer tube and clear it out all the way out to the wall on the side of the house. Let's go. I'm sure that produced a plume of smoke on the side of my house. All right, all clean in there. Looks great. Now we're gonna reattach this to the back of the dryer and then give it a good sweep back here. And when you push the dryer back in place, be sure not to crimp the hose. So there you have it, 4 steps to keeping your dryer clean and maintained. And if you follow these steps, your dryer will run its most efficient and save you money. And also, it'll avoid breakdowns and costly repairs. And most importantly of all, getting rid of all of that lint can save you from a house fire. And it was quick and relatively painless. Well, except for when I got stuck behind the dryer. Okay guys, let's keep our dryers clean and maintained. We can do it. Let me see if I can weasel my way out of here. I'm free.